Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ngayon ay tatalakayin ko ang tungkol sa tourism marketing at consumer behavior. So, ang tourism marketing ay isang strategy na kung saan is nagsiserve as a way to promote a destination, attraction, and travel services. Ano ba yung pinaka-main goal ng tourism marketing? So, yung goal niya is to provide a memorable experience po dun sa mga turista na pupunta sa place na yon. So, for example po, may isang resort sa Puerto Galera na gusto natin i-promote or makilala ng tao, i-post sa social media, may bigay ng flyers sa mga tours, and marami pang iba. Well, ito pong consumer behavior ay nakapokus naman siya dun sa personal reason ni guest consumer gaya nga ng sabi dito, why people decide to travel, including their choice of destination and activities. Then yung mga decision pong iyon is maaaring na-influence ng their budget, current trends, social media, personal interest, and recommendation from others. So once na yung isang business may alam sa tourism, management, and consumer behavior is may chance na makaakit sila ng mga guests and mas lumago pa ang business nila.
So let's proceed to objectives. First, understand recreation and leisure in tourism. Second, identify different categories of tourism. Third, explain the role of tourism department. Fourth, recognize common tourism activities. And lastly, analyze how marketing affect tourism behavior. Here are the overview. Recreation and leisure, categories of tourism, role of tourism department, tourism activities, and analysis of tourism behavior. Recreation and leisure. Recreation. Ito naman yung mga activities na ginagawa ng mga tourists para mag-enjoy habang nagta-travel. For example, swimming sa beach, island hopping, sightseeing, o para mag-try ng local foods. Leisure. Ito naman yung free time ng mga tourists kung saan pwede nilang gawin kahit anong gusto nila habang nasa trip. For example, after ng tour, pwede silang mag-relax sa hotel, maglakad sa paligid, or mag-shopping. Here are the categories of tourism. Domestic tourism, ito yung pagta-travel sa loob ng sariling bansa. For example, from Cavite, papunta ka ng Palawan or Baguio for vacation. International tourism, ito naman yung pagpunta sa ibang bansa. For example, nag-travel ka papuntang Japan or Korea. Ecotourism, ito yung pagbisita sa mga natural na lugar habang iniingatan or inaalagaan ang kalikasan. For example, hiking sa bundok or pagpunta sa protected forest without damaging it. Cultural tourism, ito yung pag-experience ng kultura, tradisyon at history sa isang lugar. For example, panonood ng festival, pag-visit sa museum, at pag-try ng local na pagkain. Medical tourism, ito yung pag-travel para magpagamot or magpa-check up. For example, pumunta sa ibang bansa para sa surgery or dental care. Business tourism, ito naman yung pag-travel dahil sa work, meeting, or conference. For example, pumunta sa Maynila para sa seminar or company meeting.
Yung role of tourism department po is important, especially turismo ng ating bansa kasi po, kasi pwedeng mag-serve as a way to promote our tourism. Especially po, mga department destination, culture gaya ng mga festival natin and attraction. Ito ay paraan para mas marami pang dayuhan ang pumunta sa ating bansa. Example po, pinost natin siya sa isang page online na kung saan is nagpo-promote ng beautiful place sa kanilang lugar. So, maaaring makita po yon ng maraming tao all around the country, then sa ibang bansa din po. Number 2 po. So, itong tourism department, they develop tourism program na kung saan ay nakatulong na mas mapaunlad pa o makahikayat pa ang mga tourista. Number 3. Tungkulin din na masigurado ang kaligtasan ng turista. So, meaning may guidelines na sinusunod. Kaya po, support local tourism business. Gaya na lang po ng mga hotel, resort, and restaurant. Number 5 po. Create marketing campaign, which is para ma-encourage yung mga local and international tourists na magpasyal sa mga department, destination, and attraction here in the Philippines.
These are the activities that tourists usually do when they travel for leisure, adventure, or culture experience. First is highland hopping. These activities allow tourists to visit different islands is one trip. For example, in El Nido and Coron in Palawan, tourists ride boats to explore beautiful beaches and lagoons. Second is diving. Diving lets tourists explore marine life underwater. An example is Anello in Batangas, which is known for its rich coral reefs. Third is surfing. Surfing is riding wave use a surfboat. Surigao is known as for surfing capital of the Philippines because of its strong wave. Four is food tourism. This means traveling to taste local dish. Pampanga is famous for its delicious Kapampangan cuisine. Fifth is heritage tourism. This involves visiting historical place. Bigan City is popular for its old Spanish era houses. Lastly is adventure tourism, included exciting activities like hiking and mountain climbing. Mountain Pulag is famous for its beautiful sea of clouds.
Proceed naman po tayo sa tourism marketing and consumer behavior. Sa tourism marketing and consumer behavior naman po, ito po ay tungkol sa kung paano hinihikayat ng mga tourism businesses sa mga tao na bumisita sa isang lugar at kung paano naman nagdidesisyon ng mga tourist kung saan sila pupunta. First is the social media trends. For example po nito, kapag viral ang isang lugar sa TikTok, Facebook o Instagram, mas nagiging interesado ang mga tao. Second is the online reviews. Tinitingnan ng mga tourists kung maganda ba ang comments at ratings ng iba. Third is the budget and income. Pinipili ang lugar na kaya ng kanilang pera. Fourth is the family and peer influence. Nai-impluwensyahan po sila ng mga suggestions ng family or kaya mga kaibigan. And last, the safety and accessibility. Mas gusto nila ang lugar na ligtas at madali lang puntahan. Marketing helps. Dito naman sa marketing helps, nakakaakit ng bagong turista and napapaganda ang image ng isang lugar, nadaragdagan din ang bilang ng mga bumibisita and nahihikayat ang mga turista na bumalik ulit. For example po, may isang beach resort sa Palawan, nagpost ang resort ng magagandang larawan at videos sa Facebook at TikTok. Marami nakakita nito at naiengganyo. Pagkatapos, chinecheck ng mga tao ang online reviews at nakita nilang maganda ang service at malinis ang place. Dahil pasok din sa budget nila at safe ang lugar, pinipili nilang doon magbakasyon. Dito makikita na ang marketing ang nagpapakilala sa resort, habang ang consumer behavior naman ang nagpapakita kung paano nagdesisyon ng turista based sa social media, reviews, budget, and safety.
Discussion and analysis interpretation. Tourism marketing and consumer behavior are closely connected. Marketing strategy influence how tourists choose their destination, while the reference and action of tourism guide how businesses design their marketing campaign. Effective promotion is essential because it creates awareness and sparks interest. For example, campaigns like the Department of Tourism, its more fun in the Philippines attraction tourists by highlighting the country's beaches and festival and cultural experience. When tourists see those promotions, they are more likely to considering visiting. Positive experience during travel lead to satisfaction and loyalty. Tourists who enjoy their trip, receive good service, and find the destination safe and clear are more likely to return and recommend it to others. This word of mouth promotion is very valuable for tourism business. Understanding tourist reference also help businesses improve their service. Many tourists now prefer online booking, digital payment, and eco-friendly accommodation destination that adapt to those reference can offer better experience and remain competitive. Finally, in highlight competitive tourism industry destination must continuously adapt to changing trend, technology, and customer expectation. Countries like Thailand and Singapore constantly innovative to attract visitors and stay ahead. In conclusion, tourism marketing and consumer behavior work together. Effective promotion, attraction, tourist positive experience, build loyalty, and understanding reference help improve service. Continuous adaptation ensure a destination stay competitive in the dynamic world of tourism.
Conclusion. This conclusion means that tourism marketing and consumer behavior are very important to the success of the tourism industry. It is not about for businesses to simply advertise or promote a destination. They also need to understand what tourists want, how they make decisions, and what factors influence their choices.